I'm excited to share this free bootcamp with you that is being organized by Dexa. It is 100% free and the application is ongoing now. Is ongoing now. For those who want to transition as virtual assistant or those who are beginner virtual assistant, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step way on how to register as a virtual assistant here. And the reason why I'm sharing this is because a lot of people have reached out to me that they want to start their virtual assistant journey, but they don't have the money to enroll for paid courses. And that's why I'm sharing these free resources with you. Now, as a virtual assistant, you don't need anything like certificates. What you need is skills. And apart from that, you're going to get your certificate after you complete this bootcamp. But I'm just trying to let you know that it's not something that is complicated. You just need to know what tools to use and to make life easier for busy executive or busy founders. So follow along with me while I show you the process. Like I said, I want my video to be very, very short because I assume everybody is busy and
So this is the
just like me.
organization. It is called Dexa, and they are best online school for in-demand digital skills. We all know that the world is now in the digital phase, and you just have to move along as the world move when it comes to digital skills. So in this video, I'll be walking you through step by step and why you need to choose this Dexa. This program is starting soon, and why do you need to choose their virtual assistant course? You're going to get expert guidance. For those of you that are just starting, in-demand skills, practical focus, business foundation, and support network. What else will you get? You're going to get course overview, introduction to the world of virtual assistant, essential toolkits that you need, finding your niche, and practical skills, marketing and client acquisition, project management, and client success. And who should enroll? If you're an aspiring freelancer, if you are changing your career, if you want to transition to remote work lifestyle, if you want to have VA as your side also, or if you just want to be organized, more resourceful, and you want to be motivated to succeed. So this course is for you, and the duration is just 21 days, not even up to 1 month. The format, you can see it there, it is completely online, no tuition fee. This course is a tuition free course. That means you have 100% just enroll and join the boot camp. Now, what you need to do, you need to complete the application form, then you'll be selected for an interview. Yes, it's very important to always check your email, check your spam as well, check your promotion. So email don't land in your inbox directly. Sometimes they land on the promotion. Then what you just need to do is to click on the link to apply now. So I'm going to share the link in this video. Just copy that link, click on that link, and apply for the program. And that's going to be the wrap on my video today. If you find value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friend to come and learn about virtual assistant tips and resources and some hiring updates as stated in the caption. Don't forget to follow me on LinkedIn. Let's connect, let's network together, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.